Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to perform the unboxing of Sjcam Sj6 Legend Air. I have received my package from Flipkart. You can see the package. This is the package. You can see the camera inside. So now we are going to unbox it. So let's begin. The cover comes up. You see the Sjcam logo. There is your camera. So here is the camera. The camera is included inside the waterproof coating. It's a box. You can open it this way. And here inside is your camera. You can see the camera. This is a protective film covering the lens. You can see the finish out here. It's a matte finish paint. There's a power button, the settings button, is the capture button. And there is the lens. You have the HDMI port out here, the USB port out here, and this is the space for inserting the micro SIM card. This is the battery port. You can see the battery out here. It's a battery. It goes in and it's locked. So this is your camera. So now let's go to the other things included in the box. I've already seen this one, which is the box, waterproof box. It goes this way, and so keeping it aside and see what else is there. So here are the various mounts you get with the camera. So first let's start. This is the manual. And these are the two stickers that come. This is a lens cap which goes right above the camera, main camera. This is a new addition which has been added to give protection to the lens whenever necessary. So it's the camera. This is the main mount. So you have bracket mounts. This is a plain bracket mount. This is a curved mount for the helmet. This is an additional case for the waterproofing. This has mount screws. These are also mount screws. This is another flat mount and a curved mount. This is a USB cable for charging. These all are mounts. This is a handlebar mount. These are screws for the mount, and this is an inclusion because this camera is a touchscreen camera, so you get an additional touchscreen cover. You have to rip this off, and you can use the touchscreen by attaching the camera with the main mount. So there you go, and there is a final thing. This is a wiping cloth. So these are the things that you get in an Sjcam Sj6 Legend Air box. So if you like my video, please subscribe. Thank you.